Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to customize the collection grid in your NFS premium theme. This feature streamlines the shopping experience and instantly gives your store a high-end feel, as you can see. It helps customers easily navigate to the exact collection they want, while the View All button displays everything at a glance. If you don't have the theme yet, you can grab it from the link in the description. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. We drop a new section tutorial every week, and you don't want to miss out. Let's dive into the editor. We are now in the theme editor. First, make sure you are on the shop page. Then go ahead and select the custom collection grid section. For the section title, you have full control. You can type in your brand name or any custom heading you prefer. To activate the View All button, simply connect a link like All Collections, and it instantly appears on your live store. You also have complete freedom to choose a color that perfectly matches your brand's aesthetic. As you can see, the updates happen in real time. Additionally, you can adjust the desktop column size to control how large the collection cards appear, keeping your layout perfectly balanced. Now, let's add the actual collection images to our cards. You can add an unlimited number of collections here. First, I'll add a new block and pick my collection image, and just like that, it fits perfectly inside the card. Right below that, you can link it directly to a specific product or to the collection page itself. Make sure to type in a clear collection title so your customers know exactly where they are clicking. After that, we just repeat the same exact process for the remaining blocks. Add the image, set the correct link, and type in the title. And that's it. Your store now features a premium, highly functional collection section. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. We have some insane new sections dropping very soon, and you'll want to be the first to get your hands on them. See you soon.